Welcome to our tech support video on surveys. This video is designed to be used along with the step-by-step consultation guidelines. In this subject, we'll be looking at the following chapters. 1. How to create a survey. 2. How to do branching in surveys. 3. How to share the survey link with participants. 4. How to track the response rates. You can choose to watch just one chapter or all of them. Just choose what you need. Create a link to register for the event using Microsoft Forms. You need to have a Microsoft 365 account. Select New Form. Add a title, description, and any questions that you need. Choose the question type. For example, you can select multiple choice. Write your question and list the answer options. You can also add more questions for additional information, such as email address, using the text input. If you want to preview your form, click on the preview to see how it appears on the computer or mobile device. Set the start and the end dates. Go to Settings. You can select who can respond to the survey. You can change the start date and the end date. Set the duration of the survey. You can add a final message to thank parents who've answered the survey. To copy the link, go to Collect Responses and ensure that anyone can respond. And shorten the link if desired. You can also download a QR code for easy sharing. Copy the link to paste in your invitation email or wherever you're sharing the invitation. Enable branching logic where appropriate to tailor the experience. For example, let's say your first question is, are you a parent? And if they say yes, you may want to ask another question. First, you add a new question. For example, is your child in? And then the options are primary or post-primary. And then you keep adding the rest of the questions. Finally, to link the second question to the first one, firstly, click on the first question. Then click on the 3 dots at the bottom right and select Add Branching. Let's say if they answer yes, go to the second question. Is your child in? If they answer no, go to the next question. You can go back. You can make this question optional or required. To check if the branching is correct, go to the preview and try answering the question yourself. To copy the link, go to Collect Responses and ensure that anyone can respond. And shorten the link if desired. You can also download a QR code for easy sharing. Copy the link to paste in your invitation email or wherever you're sharing the invitation. Monitor responses and ensure a smooth operation. Track response rates. Use your survey platform, e.g. Microsoft Forms, to monitor live completion rates and identify any drop-offs. Go to View Responses at the top right. Click Open Results in Excel and you will see all the answers. You can apply filters in the Excel sheet to view specific responses. Download the results daily. This helps to prevent data loss in case of any technical issues and allows for early insights and guide the ongoing promotion. Thank you for watching our video tech support on how to do surveys. I hope it was helpful. We have one of these on each of the different methods of consultation, so if you'd like to check out any of the others, maybe they'd be of help to you as well. Thank you.